Welcome to my channel. My name is Crimi-Trent. Today is the first in the series on Art Therapy Thursday. We're going to work on a simple watercolor abstract coastal painting. So let's get started. Okay, so for today I have a piece of Arches 100% cotton watercolor paper. I have it taped down with my blue tape on the edges. It's 6 by 6 inches for this exercise. And I have all my paints here in my Median watercolor palette. We're going to be working with a lot of blues and greens and touches of purple and pink today. So to start with, we're just going to take a flat brush. I just have this, it can be any kind of flat brush. It doesn't have to be a special watercolor brush. And we're going to get water on it. I'm going to grab some of our, get some water on it. I'm going to put it across the page, well the paper, just in the middle to the top. Just fill it in with water. Not super wet, but wet enough. I'm going to go in and grab some of my turquoise paint that I have over here. Put it in my well. Get it fairly wet. And I'm going to dab it on this brush. I'm going to have it bleed upward. Grab a little more of that paint in the bottom. Go all the way across, go up top. You want to make it a little darker. Grab some more of that paint and just put it on the bottom. As you're painting these colors, think about a nice blue sky on a nice bright sunny day, how that makes you feel. And then I like to put some turquoise on top here. This is a very simple trick to do to make clouds. You take a paper towel, like so, crunch it up, and dab. You're dabbing off the watercolor paint that you just put down. And making those clouds appear. It's very simple. This is kind of relaxing just to do this. The bottom part, I'm going to take a similar type brush, but smaller, flat. I'm going to start to grab some green paint. It could be any green paint that you have at your disposal. I have this bright medium green, and I'll mix it with actually some turquoise and get this fun, vibrant turquoise green. And I'll throw in a little hooker's green. I'm going to get it fairly wet. I'll dab it on my paper towel. And I'll go across here like so. I'm not going to go all the way across the paper. Just a little bit here. And over here. Meet it here. You want it to look like the marsh where the river of ocean water is going to. I'm going to add a little yellow to that. Make it even lighter. And wash it over here. then a little on the bottom. So it's kind of like a zigzag. With your paints. And then we're going to start putting in some deeper tones. So I've grabbed the Hooker's green here. Add the medium green. A little indigo. I dab it in my paper towel. I just put little touches with the same brush. It should bleed in the areas. I just touch it on top, a little in here, a little over here, like so. This is a very simple exercise. I might want to add a little brown to that. Tone it down a bit. I'll use a little burnt umber. And I'll go in here and do the same thing. Just little touches. Like so. I'm going to clean up my brush. I'm going to grab the same brush and grab that turquoise paint. Put some water in there. And I'm going to go in and fill in the little river that we have created. If it hits the green, it's no problem. Just fill that little river in. Little by little, stroke by stroke, back and forth. You know that going to blue space is the most relaxing thing you can do if you have anxiety or depression. Blue space is scientifically proven to relieve stress. That's why you never see stressed out people at the beach. So I filled that all in with aqua. I'm going to grab some of my ultramarine paint. I'm going to water that down right over here a little bit. I'm just going to tap in some of that, some of the blue areas. And let it bleed. I'm going to mix that also with the green and tap in just little touches where the grass would be. And fill in some more of that grasses that seem to be too light. We gotta let this dry a little bit. It's a little too wet. So we can let this dry with a hairdryer or a heating tool and then go back into it. And let it dry. You can go in and grab some purple dioxide, mix with some of the ultramarine. Add some of that to your water element. By the green part where the grass meets the water. Up here. Go back and grab your turquoise Fill in that water area again. So you can better distinguish the water area from the grass area. If you want to get deeper tones of blue over in here, grab some ultramarine and put that down in there. Some touches of that blue. You can go and grab some yellow. Get that very lime type green to your medium green and go over the green areas to brighten those up. We're just building layers on layers. Go in and grab some concentrated Hooker's green, concentrated ultramarine, Hooker's green, and just really dab in some dark tones. Just dab on the edge of your flat brush. This doesn't have to be perfect because this is an abstract. If you want to grab even more concentrated Hooker's green, put some medium green. Grab a fan brush. And take that paint and you can make some grass. It'll be slight in the picture, but enough to indicate the grass. Oops. Like the wind is blowing in the grass. It's fun to use also. And clean off your brush. And you can add some slight pink elements to it. Take that rose, water it down. And just add some touches. If it makes it look purple, that's okay. You're just building some more of that green, a little concentrated. Even for this brush you could use for grass, just go like this. Like so. Go back in, grab that turquoise, and finish that waterway. And there you have it. Very simple and easy. And relaxing, de-stressing, abstract, coastal watercolor painting. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you have a very relaxing and stressless day. Thank you.